road users, welcome to Safe Driving Ghana. Have you ever come across this road sign and do you know what it means? If you do, please let us know in the comment section below. If you don't, we are here to educate you on it. This is a maximum speed limit road sign, and this specific one says that all drivers plying this road should not exceed the speed limit of 80 kilometers per hour. Whenever you come across a road sign which is circular in shape, has a white background and a red border, please know that it is a sign that gives orders. Hence, all road users are supposed to abide by the orders. This specific one says that drivers should not exceed 80 kilometers per hour. But there are other ones which say that drivers should not exceed 50 kilometers per hour, 30 kilometers per hour, and so on. It depends on the area in which you find yourself. When you find yourself at schools, playgrounds, marketplaces, churches, mosques, shopping areas, and health facility areas, you are not supposed to exceed the speed limit of 30 kilometers per hour. In as much as this one particularly says that you shouldn't exceed 80 kilometers per hour, doesn't mean you have to necessarily go 80 kilometers per hour on this road. You can go below 80 kilometers per hour, but you cannot exceed 80 kilometers per hour. That's why it says it is a maximum speed limit road sign. When it is raining, when it is foggy, and also when you are driving in the night, you know that you are supposed to follow certain rules in order to prevent road accidents. So at night, during foggy times, when it is raining, you are not supposed to go 80 kilometers, even though this one says you should go 80 kilometers on the road for your safety and the safety of other road users. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends and loved ones, and stick to this channel as we continue to educate you on road safety. Bye.